Hello! Thank you so much sa ating Ami Engineer Benny. Kumusta na kabaranggayan? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Welcome po sa ating Van Bautista aka Chino Romero 3 Decades Mini Concert dito lang po sa DWRS Commando Radio 927 kHz. Kabaranggayan niyo, espesyal po ang araw na ito dahil celebrate po natin ang Father's Day. Alright, happy Father's Day po sa mga tatay, sa mga magiging tatay, at sa mga tumatayong tatay. Happy Father's Day. Ibig sabihin, day off po natin mga tatay ngayong araw na ito. Walang maglalaba, walang magluluto, walang magsasaing, walang mamamalansya. Parang galit ka. Alright, happy Father's Day. Deep in my heart there's a fire, a burning heart. Deep in my heart there's a desire for a star. And I don't know yet if my world a fantasy. Living in my dreams. In my heart, in my soul, I keep it shining everywhere I go. In my heart, in my soul, I'll be holding you forever, stay with you together. In my heart, in my soul, yeah, I'm feeling that our love will grow. In my heart, in my soul, that's the only thing I really know. Let's close this door and believe my burning heart. Feeling alright, come on, open up your heart. Kill the candles burning, let your body move in mine. I'm living in my dreams. In my heart, in my soul, I'll keep it shining everywhere I go. In my heart, in my soul, I'll be holding you forever, stay with you together. In my heart, in my soul, yeah, I'm feeling that our love will grow. In my heart, in my soul, that's the only thing I really know. In my heart, in my soul, yeah, I'm feeling that our love will grow. In my heart, in my soul, that's the only thing I really know. Okay, yan po mga kaibigan, ang ating unang awitin, You're My Heart, You're My Soul. At kasama ko ang aking kambal. Alright! Ngayon po mga kaibigan ay shout out po natin, nabasahin po natin yung mga nagko-comment sa aking YouTube channel. Van Bautista aka Chino Romero, si Beth Figueres. Wow, happy Sunday everyone. Happy watching again the most awaited mini concert of Sir Idol Super Guapo.
Shout out to all my friends who is watching now in the city of Pines, Baguio City. Wow! Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Baguio City? Nang bag nga bigat yo amin dita Baguio City. Okay? Happy Sunday, everyone! Thanks for watching. God bless from Teresita Agarano of Quebec, Canada. Ayan, ang aking kapatid. Kumusta ka dyan ate? At si Troy. Nakausap ko si Wendell ng isang araw. Yan, si Wendell Giang and family. Kumusta kayo dyan sa Quebec? Florentines, Telar Sipin, all Smil Superstars of the Week are all beautiful and great singers. I enjoyed watching and listening to all of you sing with a super amazing singer, my idol Ben Bautista. Aba. From Yolanda Hara, enjoyable jingle song sung wonderfully by great singers, Idol Ben and Jess Albao. Aba. Yas na yakayabyab. A blessed Sunday morning, Sir Ben. Miss ko during Sunday, nanood ako ng mini concert sa YouTube. Salamat at healthy ka at nakabalik ka na. God bless. O, nakabalik na po. Sana makabalik na po ako sa trabaho din. Sana maging successful ang aking paggaling, di ba? Okay, from Wilma Magtoto, most awaited mini concert of the week. I am waiting for and now I am listening and watching your page, Idol. Nice songs with your Smule singers. Congrats and good luck. Happy blessed Sunday everyone and have a great day. From you sir, happy birthday po sa lahat ng my birthday. More blessings po. Yan. Yung mga user po, pakisabi po kung sino po kayo kasi wala po kayong pangalan. Letter P lang po ang nandito. Okay. From P again. Wow, nice song, Idol Ben. Galing nyo, your wonderful voice, love. From user P. Okay. Sino pa mga to? Another P. Wow, awesome song ko. Ka-idol. Napakagandang awit mo. Only you, amazing song. Ang galing mo talaga. I love it. From Pearl Dison. Wow, you were always on my mind. Love it. And thank you, Adinka, for always inspiring us with all your beautiful songs. Plus, beautiful boy. Staring at the moon so blue, turning all my thoughts to you. I was without hopes or dreams. I tried to dull any inner scream, but you saw me through. My heart away, and when my whole world was gray, you gave me everything and a little bit more. And when it's cold at night and you sleep by my side, you become the meaning of my life. In a world so cold, you were there to warm my soul. You came to mend a broken heart. You gave my life a brand new start. And now I'm in love. Side, you become the meaning of my life. Holding your hand, I will be tomorrow.
side. You become the meaning of my life. You become the meaning. You become the meaning of my life.
Oh, yeah!
Tuloy-tuloy po tayo mga kaibigan sa pagbasa ng mga messages ng ating mga subscribers sa aking YouTube channel, Ven Bautista kay Chino Romero. Dito lang po sa Ven Bautista kay Chino Romero, 3 decades. From Virginia, Jean Pascua of Las Vegas. Hello, Idol Ben. At the moment, I am watching you here in Las Vegas. Time flies so fast. Here we are again. I love this opening song. Fantastic. Ay, thank you so much, Tita. Tita Jean Pascua. Merry Pascua sa'yo. From user. Okay, hello, Idol. Hanga ako sa'yo. Talagang galing mo, Idol. Naaaliw ako sa mga kanta mo. Sino kaya to? Sana sabihin niyo po sa huli kung hindi niyo po maayos ang inyong YouTube channel. Kung wala pa ko yung pangalan, sabihin niyo po yung pangalan niyo po sa huli para alam ko po, ha? From A or si Annabel Bernardo, watching from Tacurong City, Mindanao, Philippines. Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Mindanao? Wow, may mga nakikinig pala sa atin. Wilma Magtoto, I like this song dedicated to your only one loving, caring, and thoughtful wife. To you on her special day, happy birthday, and to all the June celebrants, God bless you all. Ay, happy birthday daw, ha? From Reynalda Samonte, I love your voice. From Palawan. Ay. Florentina Chalarsipin, thank you for the shout out of the all the June birthday celebrants, and that is including me. This is so thoughtful of you. Well, of course, Manang Flor. From user Z. Wow, nakakatanggal talaga ng stress yung boses mo, Idol. Palagi kong inaabangan yung mini concert mo, Idol. Watching from Paris, France, Zenaida. Oy! Kumusta po kayo sa Paris? Oy, sana makarating kami ulit dyan. Ma'am Zenaida, saan ka parte dyan sa Paris, ha? From Maridelilar Socias. Wow, that's awesome song, Idol. I love it. Thank you po. From Virginia Pascua, your songs are fascinating. Wow, only you. Ang sarap pakinggan. From user R, letter R. Hello, Idol. Have a blessed Sunday to all of your followers and happy birthday to your beautiful and loving wife, Ma'am Rose, and advance happy Father's Day to you. Thank you. Many thanks to your smear superstar Rose Winey po ito. Si Rose Winey pala ito. Pag si R Rose Winey. Okay? Ang lagi kong inaabangan pag weekend opening song, Brother Louis very excellently rendered. I'm in awe watching you and listen you sing this tongue twister song from Florentina Chalarsipin. Nida Taob, wow, I love this song. God bless you. From Hilda Judah, suddenly yan pala title niyan. Ganda naman mo, sarap pakinggan, Idol. Alright.
When the night has come and the day is done, I'm always thinking of you. You were in the air, you were everywhere, in everything I do. If I could give this moment time, if I could make you forever mine, baby, I'm lost in your love. From heaven above, you came to bring me up. With you I feel that I could stay in love forever and a day. When I walk alone through an empty home, I can't stop thinking of you. Do you feel the pain see a glimpse of my own paradise. You came from heaven above. I'm lost in your love, free as a wind. You give me wings to fly. With you I feel that I could stay in love forever and a day. Oh yeah, my girl, I feel that I could stay in love forever and a day.
Alright, tuloy-tuloy po tayo mga kabaranggayan. Tuloy po natin basahin ang mga nasa YouTube channel. Ben Bautista aka Chin Romero from Reynalda Samonte. Wow, amazing voice. I like, ang galing mo talaga. From Teresita Agarano, thank you Bonso for this beautiful and wonderful mini concert today. Congratulations, you made it again as always. We are so proud. Love, miss you, get well soon. Thank you din ate. Lelia Bingua, I enjoyed watching your 3 decade mini concert. Sir Ben, nice and beautiful songs with your great voices. Salamat po. From Teresita Ramos, I'm your avid fan. I love your songs. I'm new followers of yours. Aba, welcome po sa ating mini concert or sa aking mga videos. Maraming salamat po Teresita Ramos. Sana hindi mo ako iiwan. Alright? From Hilda Judah. Good morning idol ko. It's 2:37 AM dito ngayon. Nice song. Aba, matulog ka na. Alas 2:37 ng umaga. Gising ka pa. At ikaw ay nanonood pa na aking mga video. Aba, baka magkasakit ka niyan ha. Kasalanan ko pa yan. From Maridel Socias. Wow, dance for all idol. I love it. From Lelia Binga with so much the sound. With wow, so sweet the sound of your voice, Sir Ben, and your loving Ate Lorna. Beautiful song. Sabi niya, Corazon Exclamado. Wow. From Mirna Flordelis. Hello po, I'm here once again watching from IBCA, Long Beach, California siguro to. Anyway, I'm giving my thanks for mentioning my name to the one MC DWRS last time. Don't remember Basino. From Josie La Laguna, hello po. Ay, si Josie La Laguna nandito rin pala. Alright. At gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan yung ating mga sponsors na kung wala po sila, wala rin po ako rito ngayon. Ed Raposas, Concesa Tugado Balmeña, Florentina Charasipin, Cecil Sadeño, Francisca Salcedo, Maris Walk, Marieta Pangilinan Carreño, S. Gilin of Canada, Milagrosa Esteban, Karina Polak, Julie Cibolino, Madonna Aristorenas, Maris Carbonell, Brina Pansito, Juanita Hamilton, Ronnie Silverio, Pen Androsiak, Jean Borlasa, Estrella Ostiniano, Roslyn Balolong, Conchita Andres, Jun Mendoza, Ana Estrelianes, Jessiel Tabanquerao, Maria Belen, Ronald Maret, Arceli Salazar, Janet Vergara, Edna Butay, Connie Laediao, and Corazon Javier of Vienna. Maraming salamat po. A beautiful Ilocano song. Tas manla may saadarate Dida mo adatatay nagkita Maniput ay inayat ka Yakon makain na Ipaay ko
daytoy aya napudno din tumaumag denggem ka daytoy dawat ko kukwa mo toy puso biag ko siyak ay ginto agbaling to'y puso para ken kalaeng di ka kumapulos agdwa-dwa napuno aken ka ipaay ko daytoy aya napudno din tumaumag denggem ka daytoy dawat ko kukwa mo to'y puso biag ko siyak ay dintong agbaling to'y puso para ken kalaeng di ka kumapulos agdwa-dwa napuno aken ka ipaay ko daytoy aya napudno din tumaumag denggem ka daytoy dawat ko kukwa mo to'y puso ipaay ko daytoy aya napudno din tumaumag denggem ka daytoy dawat ko kukwa mo to'y puso kukwa mo to'y puso kukwa mo to'y puso The Milky Way upon the heavens is twinkling just for you. And Mr. Moon, he came by to say goodnight to you. I'll sing for you, I'll sing for Mother. We're praying for the world and for the people everywhere. Gonna show them all we care. Oh, my sleeping child, the world's so wide, but you built your own paradise. There's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. Of all the people around the world, they had a mind like yours. We'd have no fighting and no wars. There would be lasting peace on earth. If all the kings and all the leaders could see you here this way, they would hold the earth in their arms. They would learn to watch you play. Oh, my sleeping child. The world's so wide, but you built your own paradise. There's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. I'm gonna cover my sleeping child. Give you away from the world so wide. Keep you away from the world, away from the world so wild. I'm my sleeping child. The world's so wide, but you built your own paradise. There's one reason why I cover you, sleeping child. I'm my sleeping child. The world's so wide, but you built your own paradise. There's one reason why I cover you, sleeping child.
This is Van Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California with
Ate Cathy,
of
UAE.
Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Kabarangay Rio. Damdama komentaryo, serbisyo publiko. Numero 1 di Comando Radio.
Hollywood Broadcasting System Incorporated, 927 kilohertz.
Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Kabarangay Rio.
Probinsya nga Ilocos Sur, intero ikay Lukwan. Comando Radio kay mangmangegan.
Manipod siyudad tidigan, nagraman sa ngalubungan. Comando Radio akapiksaan. Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Kabarangay Rio. Manipod sign on, aging ganat sign on. Tagito'y programa mangagan.
Music, entertainment, news, commentary, educational and comedy program.
Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Kabarangay Rio.
DWRS. More power, Comando Radio.
Ayan po mga kaibigan, ang aking napakagaling nakasamang kumanta ng ating jingle ng Comando Radio. Isa po sa new superstars of the week po natin yan. Maraming salamat. Ngayon naman po ay narito na po ang pangalawang bahagi ng ating mini concert. Danny Yuken Sami Wayne, sana nandyan pa rin po kayo.
Tonight it's very clear, as we both lie in it. There's so many things I wanna say. I will always love you. I would never leave you alone. Sometimes I just forget, say things I might regret. It breaks my heart to see you crying. I don't wanna lose you. I could never make it alone. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you're dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. You keep me standing tall, you help me through it all. I'm always wrong when you're beside me. I have always needed you. I could never make it alone. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you've been dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. It's like a knight in a shining armor from a long time ago. Just in time I would save the day, take you to my castle far away. I am a man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you've been dreaming of. We're gonna live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. We did it all for 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 love.
Alright mga kaibigan, yan po ang una nating awitin. At bago po natin basahin ang isang tula, ay shoutout muna tayo sa mga nagko-comment sa post ng DWRS Commando Radio Global. At sa mga hindi pa po nakakapalo ng page ng DWRS Commando Radio Global, follow na po! At huwag nyo rin pong kalimutang isingit ang aking mga YouTube channel na i-subscribe, okay? Alright, sabi ni Jess Albao, nice po idol ko, beautiful voice. Okay, thank you so much po idol. At ako na naman ang iyong kasama sa Commando Radio. Aba, of course, syempre, Jess. From Corazon, Javier, follow. The best ka talaga, idol. All around, nasa sa'yo na ang lahat. Hindi naman Corazon. Ang anumang tagumpay ng kantang kasama ka sa lungkot at saya, utang na loob ko sa'yo dahil, Ben, kung wala ka, wala na rin ang signature song ko. Again and again, thank you so much. Hindi ako yan. Ikaw yan mismo. Idol Corazon Javier, dahil ikaw ang nagpursige, ikaw ang nagpractice, at ikaw ang may boses, kaya ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit nag-hit ang iyong awitin. Aba, happy birthday ha! Asan ang aking bonus? Joke lang yun. Okay, from Florentina Charasipin, my mentor and friend, here is my simple gift for your effort to make your mini concert a worthwhile and enjoyable program to watch. I tip my hat to you. Aba, 200 stars ang ibinigay ni Manang Florentina Charasipin sa page ng DWRS Commando Radio Global. Salamat po. Okay. Ang sabi niya dito si Susan Cepeda del Socorro, Go Idol! Pa-like naman natin. Si Lorna Matsuda watching now from Japan. Happy Sunday. God bless both. Aba, kumusta po kayo dyan sa Japan? Arigato, sayonara. Lorna Matsuda. Okay, siya pa rin yan. Wilma Mata, congrats to all Mule Superstars of the Week. Aba, kinukongrats kayo. Judith Manalili Prias, happy blessed Sunday. Idol shout out Prias family of Silang, Cavite. From Susan Sanyatan, hello sir. Have a nice day. God bless. Hi to Ate Saling, Kuya Badong Baldolores, Lolita Costales, Tita Yahin, Gloria Costales, Susan, Evelyn, Sir, yun mga hello love para sa inyong lahat. Aba, matagal ko nang hindi nabasa yung mga pangalan na yan. From Mercy Singson, I'm watching now. Lorna Matsuda, both have great voice. Ingat palagi po. From Adelina Regino, watching right now. Idol Ben Bautista from Las Vegas, your mini concert. Aba, narito ang part 2 ng tula ni Francis James Anical mula po sa Abra. Salamat Inay, part 2. Sa paglipas ng maraming taon, ika'y nandyan pa araw-araw nakikipagsapalaran kay tadhana. Para may pambayad sa eskwela pang matrikula. Natangi mo lang hangad na kami makapagtapos na. Salamat Inay, at yun ay natupad na. Maraming espesyal na pangyayari at okasyon ang hindi mo nasilayan. Masasayang araw na dapat ay kailangan ka nandyan. Mga panahong kailangan kami hagkan. Masakit man ang katotohanan, sa litrato mo lang ako na pagmamastan. Salamat Inay, hindi mo pa rin ako pinabayaan. Ngayon ay isa na akong ganap na nurse at nagtatrabaho. Trabahong kayang suungin kahit gaano man ito kalayo. Kahit medyo mahirap, pero kinakailangan laging nakatayo. May bayad man o wala ang aking serbisyo. Salamat Inay, ikaw ang nagturo upang ako'y irespeto. Mabilis ang paglipas ng panahon, masakit gunitain ang malungkot na kahapon. Pero sa isang banda, masayang balikan ang nakaraan, nakapiling si Inay at ako'y kanyang kalong-kalong. Salamat Inay sa umaalab mong pagmamahal. Sa bawat pagsulat ng letra sa kwaderno, ay siyang kasabay ng luha sa pagtulog. Luhang naghahangad kung kailan na makakapiling mo, at umaasa na isang araw mahagkan mo. Inay, namimiss ko na po kayo. Sa bawat hamon ng buhay, may isang taong nakaagapay. Isang taong kailan may hinding-hindi ka pinabayaan. Nasa tabi mo man wala, ramdam mo na lagi mong kasama. Inay, ikaw yun, wala nang iba. Nais kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng iyong nagawa. Mga sakripisyong hinding-hindi mapapantayan ng iba. Mga pagdurusang hinding-hindi kailanman nila magagawa. Na napakatatag mo na siyang ipinagmalaki. Salamat inay, ikaw ang aking superhero. Kung ako ngayon ay utang ko sa iyo. Ikaw ang bumuo ng aking pagkatao na kahit kailanman ikaw ang aking irerespeto. Ito na po ang awiting aking napili para sa tula ni Francis James Anical. Tula para sa kanyang mami na si Pearly or Perlita Dizon. Ngunit sa kasawiang palad ay wala na po si Francis. Etong tulang ito ay isang napakagandang souvenir ng kanyang nanay na si Manang Perlita Dizon.
Every day I call my mother just to tell her that I love her. That's a thing I'm very proud to say, 'cause I'm so glad to have her. To me she's like no other. She's the reason I'm the man you see today. Our heart was filled with joy when she saw her little boy. First time that she held me in her arms. And from that moment on, she and Dad were both the ones who cared for me and kept me from all harm. When you see your mother, tell her that you love her. Hold her like you never wish to part. When this world it seems unfair, she's the one who's always there. My mother means a kindness, loving heart. Since I've grown from boy to man, I've come to understand love that lives within our mother's heart. That's why I call her every day, if I'm near or far away. For I know someday she and I must part. Always hold her dear as you count each passing year. Say you're sorry if you cause her pain. And when it's your birthday, just call her up and say, thank you, Mom, for giving me the gift of life. When you see your mother, tell her that you love her. Hold her like you never wish to part. When this world it seems unfair, she's the one who's always there. My mother means a kindness, loving heart. When this world it seems unfair, she's the one who's always there. My mother means a kindness, loving heart.
Bago ko po kantahin ang isang espesyal na awitin dahil Father's Day, gusto ko pong patiin lahat ng mga tatay na katulad ko, na sinabi ko kanina ay naka-day off ngayon dahil Father's Day. Hindi po sila nagluluto ngayon, hindi naglalaba, at hindi namamalansya. Gusto kong batiin ang aking tatay ng Happy Father's Day, ang napakabait, napakadakilang tatay sa buong mundo, ang aking tatay na si Juan Bautista, diyan po sa Palmera. Alam ko hindi na po kayo nakakarinig at nakakakita, pero salamat po sa Panginoon at buhay pa ho kayo. Salamat po sa aking mga kapatid na nag-aalaga at nagbibigay ng sustento para mabuhay ang aming ama. Maraming salamat din po sa nag-aalaga na si Ate Flora Thailand. Maraming salamat po. Ganon din po sa aking mga kuya, si Kuya Vino, si Kuya Dami, ang aking napakabait na father-in-law na si Engineer Reynaldo Canto at Tatang Gregorio Canto, sa pong 98 years old, na siya po ang nagpalaki sa aking butihing asawa na si Ross. Binabati ko rin si Ninong Leo Antiporda dyan sa Lawag City. Happy Father's Day. Maraming salamat din. And happy Father's Day also to my Ninong Benny Giang Rieta. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day din kay Ninong Eliseo Contillo o Rudy Contillo, Ronald Maret na nandyan ngayon sa Pilipinas. Lahat po ng mga tatay, Happy Father's Day. Mga tatay pong mababait. Si Roderick Saldoa, ayan, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day din kay JB Tabukol, yan. At lahat po ng tatay, alam kong malaki ang inyong sakripisyo sa inyong mga anak at pamilya. Itong awiting ito ay lyrics ng aking kaibigan na si Sylvester Stallone Cugtag, na dati po siyang nasa Hong Kong, isa pong tula na naging awit na ngayon. Salamat, Ama, para po sa inyo. Happy Father's Day, Engineer Benny Malikad. Ayan, Happy Father's Day sa lahat-lahat po, kahit hindi po tatay, na tumatayong tatay sa isang pamilya. Kayo po ang magigiting na tatay sa buong mundo. Wala po kayong kaparis. At Happy Father's Day na rin po sa aking sarili. Okay, eto na po ang awitin. Sana po magustuhan. At ko rin yung mga nagpapalitan ng mga comment dito ngayon sa ating live na nakapost ng DWRS Commando Radio Global. Maraming salamat. At sa mga nagko-comment sa aking YouTube channel, Ven Bautista aka Chino Romero.
Sa aking pagsilang, ika'y natuwa. Lubos ang ligaya ng iyong makita. Haplos at iyapak mo sa aking nadama. Lumuluhat, masambing anak, mahal kita. Kapag ako'y umiiyak, ika'y nagkakandara pa, na ang akala mo'y ako'y nasaktan na. Inaaway mo pa ang aking ina, na siyang dahilan upang magtampo siya. Salamat pagmamahal at higit pa. Kay hirap ng iyong ginagampanan, sunog ng araw di mo alintana. Mabuhay mo lamang kami, O Ama, kinabukasan namin iyong binigyang halaga. Kapag ako'y umiiyak, ika'y nagkakandara pa, na ang akala mo'y ako'y nasaktan na. Inaaway mo pa ang aking ina, kasi ang dahilan upang magtapos siya. Salamat Ama sa paglikha mo sa aking ama. Buong buhay ko'y utang ko sa kaniya, di matatawaran ang kaniyang pag-aruga. Kaya't aming suklian ng pagmamahal at higit pa. Oh, salamat Ama sa paglikha mo sa aking ama. Buong buhay ko'y utang ko sa kaniya, di matatawaran ang kaniyang pag-aruga. Kaya't aming suklian ng pagmamahal at higit pa. Kaya't aming suklian ng pagmamahal at higit pa. Salamat Ama. Di mabukal ti may sa pamilya, no awanti sa riked na. Tay kanayon amang tapaya mangyal alika no adda didigra. Dedek nga inggit lagdak yan piksa apag kamangan dagiti bunga. Dakulap amang sapuyot tapno ag nanayon ang naurnos. At daan natit kera pakinake manyaman apan nubok ti dungteng. Bigat di na asamiren banok saan na ngay dandaneng. Ipulos mapukawan namnama aramiren na kabayalan na. Ited na pagrebengan na iti kapisiken dagiti anak na. Ama nay dumduma unay aparswa, nay rantakas mangiina. Tarabay ngayon tati na marswa, di magatadang ti pamateg na. Kaarig na't gameng awan kapatpad na. Anyan nga inget patek ti akem na, kastat kapatek ti may sangama. pakinakem anyamarapan nubuk idumten tigat dinas amiren banok sana nga idandanen pulos na pukawan namnama aramiden na kabayalan na iten na pagrebengan na iti kapisiken dagiti anak na ama day dumduma unay aparswa day ranta kaasmang ni ina tarabay ngayon teti na marswa di magatadan ti pamateg na kaaring naggameng awan kapadpad na anyan nga ingat pateg ti akem na kastat kapateg di may sanga ama.
Pinapaalala ko pong nakikinig at nanonood pa rin kayo ng aking mini concert dito naman po sa DWRS Comando Radio 97 kHz Kabaranggan nyo. This is Ben Bautista with
Natalie
of
Melbourne, Australia.
Comando Radio, Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Comando Radio, Kabaranggayan niyo. Damdama komentaryo, serbisyo publiko, numero 1 ti Comando Radio.
Solid North Broadcasting System Incorporated 927 kilohertz.
Comando Radio, Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Comando Radio, Kabaranggayan niyo.
Provincial ng Ilocos Sur, Intero, Teka Ilocos, Comando Radio kay Manmang ka.
Manipod siyudad, tibigan, nagraman sa ngalubungan. Comando Radio, akapiksaan. Comando Radio, Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Comando Radio, Kabaranggayan niyo. Manipod sign on, aging ganat sign off. Dagito'y ti programa manggagan.
Music, entertainment, news, commentary,
Educational and comedy program. Comando Radio, Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, Comando Radio, Kabaranggayan niyo.
WRS.
Ayan po mga kaibigan ang ating Comando Radio jingle at ang aking kasamang Smule Superstar of the Week. Maraming salamat sa mga Smule Superstars natin. At hindi sila nagsasawa na nakikipag-join sa akin sa Smule account ko na Chino Romero 2024. Kung gusto niyo pong makipag-duet po sa akin, just follow my Smule account, Smule channel, Chino Romero 2024. Ayan! At dahil special po ang araw na ito, Father's Day presentation. Iba po ang ating i-present ngayong araw na ito. Espesyal dahil I believe lahat po kayo sa akin ay espesyal, lalong-lalo na po sa mga tatay. Happy Father's Day! But before ipakita po natin ang ating special presentation, I would like to thank all the staff of DWRS Comando Radio Lalo na po sa ating sound engineer na si Benny Malikad, ang ating concert production coordinator, Ate Ami Buagayan, at ang ating napakabait, napakagaling na station manager, Ma'am Rosario Chato Alda. Yan. At maraming salamat po sa mga nagko-comment pa rin, mga nagpapalitan po ng mga comment. Thank you so much at sinamahan niyo po kami mula umpisa hanggang matapos. Thank you so much sa ating mga sponsors, outfit sponsors. Maraming salamat po. Alright! Eto na po ang ating special presentation. Sana po magustuhan ninyo. Tiniban Bautista, kakadwak ni Kasingin Mo at taga Barangay Santiago, Claveria, Cagayan. As manla may sa arate, idamo agat at ay nagkita, manikot ay inayat ka, dak makain na. Ipaay ko daytoy aya, napuno din tumaumag, tenggem ka daytoy dawat ko, kuha mo to'y puso. Biyak ko siya tay dinto agbalin, to'y puso para ken kalaeng, di ka kumapulos agwa-dwa, napunuain ka. Ipaay ko daytoy aya, napuno din tumaumag, denggem ka daytoy dawat ko, kuha mo to'y puso. Biyak ko siya ay dinto agbalin, to'y pusok para ken kalaeng, di ka kumapulos agwa-dwa, napunuakin ka. Ipaay ko daytoy aya, napuno din tumaumag, denggem ka daytoy dawat ko, kuha mo to'y puso. Ipaay ko daytoy aya, napuno din tumaumag, denggem ka daytoy dawat ko, kuha mo to'y puso, kuha mo to'y puso, kuha mo to'y puso. Originally sung by Ven Bautista and Susan Cuevas. Released by Aquarius Records and Tapes. Thanks for watching. Ven Bautista aka Chino Romero, California with your twin of Barangay Santiago, Claveria. Everyone, hope you like it. You ready? Yeah. Come on na, ha? Sure. Back when I was a child,
before life removed all the innocence. My father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him. I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love dance with my father again. When I and my mother would disagree, yeah, to get my way I would run from her to him. It'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, and finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door. I hear our mama that cried for him. I'd pray for her even more than me. I'd pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but you could stand back the only man she loves. I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Manipuliti aging gaita, jakpay pulos, anak akita, tasken kat pintas, ingat pusaksa, isunga ita, et siyak tay naragsak, patyanak, yakupatyanak, asikarat ita dagduma, ipangpangruna, ingatung palbiag, bueno biag kupatyanak. ulan ka ay agyaman na adimteng ka kaniyak patyanak yakupatyanak asikalat idadaduma ipangpangruna tingdatung palmya bueno yakupatyanak iputin tingkatenak nawak ngian nalidem makalma si putin tengkatem na jakun marmaltay patyanak yakupatyanak asikalat idadagduma ipangpangruna inggatung palmya bueno yakupatyanak patyanak patyanak yakupatyanak asikalat idadaduma ipangpangruna ingdatung palbiak bueno yakupatyanak bueno yakupatyanak.
Before we sing, I would like to thank all our top fans, monthly fan subscribers, video sharers, commenters, at sa lahat ng mga non-followers, welcome po sa aming pages, and non-subscribers, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. How about you? Oh, I would like to greet all my subscribers in my YouTube channels. 5 channel yan. Ven Bautista Kichin Romero, karaoke and vocals of Ven Bautista Kichin Romero, and the Prince of Ilocano songs, and Ven Bautista, also known as Chino Romero, música ni Ven Bautista. Please subscribe.
I have always been a dreamer, follow visions of my own. I was born to belong to the lines of a song and make them my home. I believe in happy endings, though I've only known a few. For as rare as they are, like a bright falling star, I found one in you. Sometimes all the world can seem so friendless, and the road ahead so endless, and the dream so far away. Sometimes when I'm almost to surrender, then I stopped and I remember I have you to save my day. Often my imagination has me reaching out too far, I feel you were there with your hands in the air. You knew from the start. Sometimes after all you've done to save me, through the love you freely gave me, every step along the way. Sometimes people ask what keeps me going, and it truly comes from knowing I have you to save my day. Sometimes feeling helpless when I held you, wishing words would come to tell you I have you to save my day.
Video Bautista Katwak, makanta ni Singin Mo, Ataga, Barangay Santiago, Claveria, Cagayan.
Ikatiyamin ko, enliw-liwat ko'y puso, ragsak insambay mo, at intuwag mo to. Inggan at kong pagyak, ay tuwing ayan-ayat, intang arudi papas, iruni ayan. When at kuya nga asa, itabarupong mo, ubiyag ko'y biyag, nu'y kalang na yakun kaya. Panugam den ti agayat, na'y karikong to'y riknak, agaraman to'y karawak, sikati amin ko, enliw-liwat ko'y puso, ragsak insambay mo, at tintuwag mo to. Inggan at kong pagyak, ay tuwing ayan-ayat, intang arudi papas, iruni ayan. Nu'y kalang na yakun kaya. Panugam den ti agayat, na'y karikong to'y riknak, agaraman to'y kararuwak, sikati amin ko, enliw-liwat ko'y puso, ragsak insambay mo, at tintuwag mo to. Inggan at kong palbiyak, tay tuwing ayan-ayat, intang arudi papas, iru
thank my outfit sponsors. Sila Kuya Edra Posas, Manang Florentino Chalarsipin, Marietta Pangilinan Carino, Madonna Aristorenas, Connie Yadlao, Estelita Justiniano. And to all of you, such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's real. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. I'm on the top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world. This is Van Bautista Chino Romero of California with your twin of California. I look out and I see the rain as it falls on my window pane, and the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Endless traffic of sounds and sights amidst the glitter of neon light. Still the music that's in my heart is the same sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream, like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No, you're searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare. Take a jet to a hideaway from the humdrum of every day. Hear the music that's that's in my heart is the same sad refrain. Endless traffic of sound and sight meets the glitter of neon lights. Still the music that's in my heart is the same sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my empty dream, like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No, you're searching for, I'll never ever find you there. For you are far beyond compare. La 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 la. No, you're searching for, I'll never. No, you're searching for, I'll never find you there. For you are far beyond compare. Ay, tapos na yon? Yun na po ba yun ang huli? Alright, mga kaibigan, mga kabaranggayan, tapos na po ang ating special presentation, of course. Maraming salamat po. At hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. Ayan, sana po nakapagbigay po ako ng konting kaligayahan ngayong special presentation natin ng Father's Day dito sa ating mini concert. Van Bautista aka Chino Romero 3 Decades dito po sa DWRS Commando Radio. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Sana po, ingat po kayo at sana po makita-kita po tayo ulit next Sunday sa iba na namang episode ng ating mini concert. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-share, mga nagko-comment at mga nakikinig po dyan sa kanilang mga transistor radio at sa mga cassette. May cassette pa ba? Alright, ito po ang inyong abang lingkod, Ben Bautista kay Chino Romero, nagsasabing walang ibang mahal si Chino Romero kundi kayong lahat. Happy Father's Day! Bye-bye!